Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix software installation error in Windows 10, 8, 1 and 7 which is most probably happening for some of you guys, and how to fix it up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to press Windows and R all together to get the run command, and you have to type regedit. You have to type regedit and you have to go for OK and go for yes. And now from here, once you land over here, you have to press Control and F you have to press. And now from here, when there is a software installation error, then you have to type the respective software here. For example, I'm having the editing software Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm not having an issue, but even though for the tutorial I'm going to type it here Adobe, I'm going to type it here Adobe, so the respective software which is causing the installation error will come up here. So now as you can see, this is Adobe, and from here what I have to do is I just have to delete each one of these. Like I have to delete one by one, like this is how it looks basically. Now I have to delete this. After deleting this one, after deleting each one by one, I have to press F3. So this is how it looks like. Then I have to delete each one of these and delete this, and again I have to press F3, then delete this and again press F3 and delete this, and you have to delete each one of these and you have to press F3 one after one another. And I know this is a little bit lengthy for you guys, but you have to do this. And once after, you'll be getting a message like the registry deleting or it is completely finished. What you have to do is just have to close this, and once after doing this, you just have to reinstall the particular software after doing a restart, so that you're completely preparing for that well. This is how you can fix the issue up, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section, so we will get back to you. And if you find like we have to improve ourselves, do let us know in the any kind of suggestions you have, so that we can improve ourselves and make our subscribers really helpful. So this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.